Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Nightmare Kitty 101, also known as Nightmare Kitty. Today we're going to be mixing this pink slime here with this clear slime. They are both glittery, and yeah. So we thought that maybe this would make a nice light pink color. So they're very they're soft. So let's mix them. Oh yeah, we have the real owner of this channel right here.
Hello.
I'm just her friend at Nightmare Kitty. Nightmare Kitty.
Make sure you check out my Instagram, Fat Doggo and Friends. All underscores, by the way. Fat underscore Doggo underscore and underscore Friends underscore. Well, not an underscore after Friends, but let's carry on with the video.
So far, this slime looks really good. It has a nice light pink color, and it's twice as glittery now. It's still soft, maybe a bit harder to stretch because it was two different slimes, but it's still good slime. So, yeah.